installation on a profile bed. Lift up the mattress, place the sensor pad on the static section for the bed. So backrest here, knee brake here, static section here, and drop the pocket of the transmitter down the edge of the bed. That's it. To test, you need the system to beep when you sit on it. Wait 5 seconds to make sure it doesn't alarm. And then when you stand up, the system should trigger. Cancel it by press of the reset button. To set the system up using the floor mat, connect the cable HJM342 into one of the transmitters, then plug into the mat, and this will now set the system to be triggered when anybody stands on the mat. Test the system. Apply pressure to the mat, wait 5 seconds, and then take pressure off. And you should get a trigger as soon as you apply pressure to the mat. So it should trigger immediately. Because we can't put the transmitter in a pocket on the floor mat, because hoists, etc. will hit it or people will stand on it, we have to attach this to the underside of the bed or a piece of furniture to keep it away from moving and handling equipment. So attach the sticky pads, the Velcro pads supplied with the cable. And then attach the transmitter on a non-moving section of the bed where it will be out of the way and won't get damaged. You can also have the optional HJM 302 cover. So the idea of this is you can place your floor sensor mat into the pocket on the underside of the mat. So that will protect the sensor mat from damage from footwear, moving and handling equipment, but it also hides the fact that there's a sensor mat under there. The idea of this is if the mat cover becomes soiled, you can take it off and you can machine wash it, and if any damage happens to the sensor mat, you can take that away and you can replace it, so it splits the two in half. If you're using it on a seat, place one of the seat sensor pads so you can either place it so that the pocket goes down to the front. If there's risk of people putting their legs on it, you can push it down the side of the chair. Just make sure it doesn't get caught in any mechanism. Place the cushion back on it and then test again. So wait 5 seconds so the system is armed, and when you're cancelling the alarm, press the reset button and disable the trigger on the receiver before you cancel the nurse call system, or else it'll keep re-alarming the nurse call system. The Guardian is compatible with earlier wired sensor mats. So you can use the HJR078 cable, connect into the wired mat, and then the HJR078 plugs into the receiver. And this will allow you to use any older wired mats and integrate them with the new wireless system.